Hey guys, Vito here. So, we all know Alex, from Lego Minecrafter. I decided, you know what, I'm not going to go out and buy another copy of it. I decided kick out my old 3D printer, I knows most of the scan lines, and just give Alex an armor upgrade. This is kind of like the sapphire armor that you would get in a Minecraft mod. That's not coming off, but the head part, as you see, it falls off. I kind of have a solution for that, per se. Let's get this little bit of flipping tissue paper and stuff it right there. And when you put it on her, yeah, I see the problem here. I mean, I could wet it down a bit, but that's pretty much all I got so far. And it wouldn't be a sapphire or without a sapphire sword. So, there we go. The entire sapphire armor. Yeah, it's blue PLA filament. What am I going to do about it? Okay. I mean, I do have one way of keeping that helmet on. By putting the iron pickaxe. Yes, actually somebody from my community actually said this was an iron pickaxe. I was wondering why it was silver all of a sudden. So there is a way to do this. Just kind of force it in your hands. And then, yes, the pickaxe. Where it kind of, kind of overlaps, but this is the kind of thing you also have to take into account. But yeah, there you go. Now it won't fall off. I mean, I would print this out for, say, this guy, but it's kind of better off as is. So, I'm kind of out of building ideas, guys. So that's all I got. So I'll catch you guys later.